This school get many dilapidated buildings. The school not get past maybe 5 or 6 buildings. And all the buildings, about 4 of them don't scatter. Now, if you look well, they not get library again. Vice principal office not there again. This school where you see so, therefore, the current deputy governor community. Maybe one of his children or one of his brother children go don't attend this school. And this school just dey like this. For the past 3 years when he don't dey for seat, he never come this school, make him come help the school. So that they go restore this school to a school where show say this school come from deputy governor's village. All these building are building where destroy and they not fit work am.
The fact is that maybe even so we locate all of them, present one office and the office.
Hey, are you glad?
It's for myself. I'm referring.
That school that you just saw in that video is in the community of the deputy governor of Delta State, Mr. Monday Oyeme. Monday Oyeme is from Ukwuani community in Ukwuani land. The man on red cap whose picture was attached to that video is Nnamdi Ezechi. He is the House of Reps member representing Ndokwa West, Ndokwa East, and Ukwuani local government in the House of Reps, Abuja. They just showed you those few schools. If you come to Ukwuani land, there are so many schools that are worse than these schools that you just saw here. The deputy governor of Delta State is from Ukwuani land. SH is representing the whole Ukwuani land in the House of Reps. Yet, these two people cannot bring good things to Ukwuani land. They cannot bring development to Ukwuani land. See the school where they for the community of deputy governor of Delta State. Some people will get the opportunity become deputy governor, become governor. They carry almost the whole development within that state. They go their own community. But our own Ukwuani person not fit build the whole schools where they in community. You not fit take the opportunity build the whole schools where they Ukwuani land. SH where they represent the entire Ukwuani land for House of Reps. He not fit build our schools for Ukwuani land. And if they won't go for another term now, our people for Ukwuani land go still vote for them. They go still campaign for them. And these two men, they are against the creation of Anioma State. SH made it clear that he is against the southeast zoning of Anioma State. That he wants Ukwuani people to be in the south-south. The south-south where Ukwuani people dey, now them they suffer pass for this Anioma land. You want your people to be in the south-south, but you cannot bring development to your people. Ukwuani land have more crude oil and gas than Urobo land. Yet, Urobo people are benefiting more than we Ukwuani people. And that's because their politicians are up and doing. Their politicians are bringing development to their land. But our own Ukwuani politicians, not be that one that they talk. All they know how to do is, maybe they call them honorable. There is nothing honorable about Ukwuani politicians. All Ukwuani politicians, there is nothing honorable about them. It's so shameful. Deputy governor, see the kind of school where they in community. If you go to all Ukwuani platform, now complain. Our place no good, no light, nothing. There's a politician from Ukwuani land called Friday Osanebi. Friday Osanebi represented Ndokwa East constituency for 3 terms in the Delta State House of Assembly. He served as deputy speaker of the Delta State House of Assembly. He chaired the House of Committee on the SOPADEC, Delta State Oil Producing Areas Development Commission. He was elected as the running mate to Senator Ovie Omo Agege for the 2023 APC Delta State governorship election. He is known for massive empowerment projects, including, but not limited to, providing over 600 motorcycles, numerous cars, and monthly stipends to widows, youth, and the elderly across Ukwuani Nation and Delta North Senatorial Districts. After all this position where Friday and Ebi occupy, enough it bring light give Ukwuani people. Ukwuani people have been without light for the past 20 years. Some Ukwuani communities, they talk say for more than 20 years they don't have lights. That time when he be deputy speaker, in place not get light oh. If they buy keke, they buy motorcycle. Now that one we they talk. You they buy keke, buy motorcycle. Ukwuani land not get federal hospital. Ukwuani land not get state hospital. Ukwuani have no state university, no federal university, no federal college of education, no state college of education, no federal polytechnic, no state polytechnic, and we get these people for government. If you are a politician in Ukwuani land and you dey claim say you dey do good things for Ukwuani people, if you not fit give Ukwuani people light, you not give Ukwuani people hospital, you not give Ukwuani people polytechnic, you not give them university, you not give them infrastructure, you are just deceiving yourself. Ukwuani land not get politician. And that is why Ukwuani land is the most backward Igbo speaking region in Delta State. Look at what this Ukwuani person said. He said that most self-centered one in better position, government will not want any Ndokwa sons and daughters to come close or benefit from government. If you see them in the office and greet them with Ukwuani dialect, either they keep you quiet or reply with English language. What a shame. How can we now progress? Now for the page where they post all these bad schools, now this person make these comments. If you enter Ukwuani politician's office, if you speak Ukwuani, give them, they're going to look you like, wait till this person they talk. You go to speak Ukwuani, they give them, they're going to speak English, they give you. This is the problem that we are facing in southern Nigeria. If na northern Nigeria, Fulani person enter Fulani political office, they go to speak Fulani. If Hausa person enter office where we say na Hausa person be oga for that place, they go to speak Hausa. But if you come to southern Nigeria, you go to speak Igbo language, they give Igbo politician for your office. You go to speak English, they give you. You go to speak Ukwuani dialect, they give Ukwuani politician for him office. You go to speak English language, they give you. How you think say people will get this kind of mindset go fit push Ukwuani land forward? You go enter a full Ukwuani community, hospital not dey inside. The hospital where they for Obiaroko, nothing even dey the hospital. The hospital have no state government presence there. Okowa wey be say when he was the senator representing Delta North, he did nothing for Ukwuani people. Today, so many Ukwuani youths are on social media campaigning for Okowa. Some of those Ukwuani youths are saying that they don't want Anioma State to join the Southeast. Instead of Anioma State to join the Southeast, let we Anioma people remain in Delta States. They don't want Anioma State to be created as zone to the Southeast. Anioma State that we give we Anioma people 3 senators. Ukwuani will have 1 senator. Ika will have 1 senator. Anyone will have 1 senator. They don't want 3 senators. Instead, they want Okowa to be representing Anioma people alone. If we get Anioma State, we will have 6 House of Reps members. Those set of youths for Ukwuani land where no one to make we get Anioma State join Southeast. They don't know the importance of having a state. That's why they are busy campaigning for Okowa. We there for Delta State, Ukwuani they suffer. Why Ukwuani land not going to suffer? Where they say some of our youths not know their left to right. Some of our youths, they're not a reason fine. Some of them not even know what in be interest. Some of them not know why Ukwuani they suffer. They just feel say Ukwuani they suffer because federal government want us to suffer. Ukwuani is suffering because Ukwuani people don't know how to play politics. Ukwuani people don't know what they want. Ukwuani people don't know who to hold responsible for their problems. Tinubu no one give us light. Tinubu don't want give Ukwuani people light. He just abandon Ukwuani people. Tinubu don't know if there's a place called Ukwuani. Ukwuani not there exist for Tinubu dictionary. The people that we Ukwuani people are supposed to be pushing are all this Monday Oyeme Ezechi them. Now these people we supposed to push make una bring this thing come for us. But instead, we dey change shadows. You dey campaign for Okowa. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Okowa, we go back to Senate. We go back to Senate. Senator Nwoko won't give you states. Make Ukwuani people get mouths for Nigeria. Make federal government know where they call Ukwuani land. Make Ukwuani land get their own senator. Make they get their own House of Reps members. Make Ukwuani get light. Make we get federal and state projects. Una say no. Say because of say the ones on Ukwuani land go southeast. Say we not support Anioma State and there but shame, shame. Now be the reason why they say Ukwuani land is not growing. Make una start with the reason fine in the Ukwuani. Those set of Ukwuani people where to say they no one make Anioma State go southeast now they tell. Because I know say so many Ukwuani people want Anioma State to be created and zoned to the southeast. Now why they thought say those Ukwuani people where thought say they don't want make Anioma State go southeast there. Now but they call those people without shame. Now be people without shame. Now you they suffer pass. Now you don't want get Anioma State join southeast. South where you dey suffer. You not get light for 20 years. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not ashamed? Go to the internet and search benefits of having a state. Everything where states they benefit for this country. Anioma State go they benefit from that thing. Make we get Anioma State so that Urobo Isoko Shekiri just go on their own. Make we don't say that just we Igbo speaking people there for Anioma State. Yet some of our Ukwuani people not want time because they're not they see far. We Ukwuani people, let's learn how to play politics. Make we they play politics where we say we go they benefit. We Ukwuani people should stop playing politics with emotion. You not like Senator Nedwo, can I make you not support the creation of Anioma State? Are you not ashamed of yourself? If you talk with them, they bring out baseless arguments wey not get direction. Senator Nedwo want become governor. That's why they agitate for Anioma State. We don't want Anioma State. How many years Senator Nedwo will be the governor of Anioma State if he becomes the governor? 8 years. After 8 years, he go come out, another person go enter. Senator Nedwo said that if Anioma State is being created, that he won't be the governor. Say now one person go be the first governor of Anioma State. He made it clear. That statement that Senator Nedwo made is not a political statement. He dey tell our people what he won't do. Now person will say, if you talk saying that this thing he won't do, now what he go do? Because I say your mind the say he wants to become the governor of Anioma State. Now why you don't want to support the creation of Anioma State? Are you not ashamed of yourself? You want to give up on Anioma State where our ancestors don't agitate for since 1938. Obi of Abo in 1938, they agitate say he want Anioma State to be created. They want Anioma to join Eastern region. All those Obi of Iseluku, Obi of Abo, and many others, they are working hard to see that Anioma State joins the southeast. That Anioma State joins Eastern region in 1938. But instead, we Anioma people were zoned to Western region. Our real fathers in Anioma land during that 1938 knew that Western region is not the right place for we Anioma people to be. Western region is a Yoruba dominated region. And the only place that our language is being spoken is in Eastern region. They know that we Anioma people and Eastern region are one people, and that the right place for us to be is in Eastern region. And they thought this and say, now Ukwuani people suppose carry this Anioma State matter for head pass. Make una not dey wait make Senator Nedwo come meet una. They tell una say, make una support Anioma State too. As una see say this man is championing this beef for Anioma State to be created and so to the southeast. You people are supposed to be supporting it, campaigning for it, demanding for it to come to pass. That is what we Ukwuani people are supposed to be doing. Some Ukwuani people are saying, what have Senator Nedwo done for Ukwuani people? Nothing anybody go do for Ukwuani people pass to create a state for Ukwuani people. Do you know what it means to have a state? We not get flyover, we not get light, we not get this, we not get that. The only thing that will give us all those things is Anioma State. Because Delta State don't come out. We know say now only we Anioma people, no only we Ukwuani people, no only we Ika people, no only we Oshiba and Odocha people they inside this Anioma State. If we Anioma people they build Anioma State, we go to build Ukwuani land, we go to build Ika land, we go to build Oshimi land, we go to build Aniocha land, we go to grow together. But just because the one zone and go southeast, some of them they do hear paka. People wey be say they not even fit talk to their politicians wey dey office say bring this thing for us. E reach all of us start to dey show teeth. If we lose this Anioma State now, then Anioma people should forget having a state in the future. Whether Anioma State is being zoned to the southeast or south, we are still in Nigeria. The most peaceful geopolitical zone in this country is the southeast. In northern Nigeria, people are being killed every day by Fulani bandits and terrorists. Same in southwest Nigeria. Fulani terrorists are killing people in the south. They are also killing people in the southeast. How we Anioma people go take save ourselves? Now for us to join our southeast brothers. Make all of us speak with one voice because we are the same people. Our southeast brothers will never initiate a policy that will destroy Ukwuani land. They will never initiate a policy that will destroy Anioma land. Any policy where southeast they take now for the betterment of every Bia speaking people. All those Anioma people that are saying, Igbo people, not trust them, the way that they play politics, if you do business with Igbo man, if you do things with Igbo man, come out all those mindsets from your mind. All those things are just propagandas. Ukwuani people, wake up, wake up. Let's get to this Anioma State. Anioma State is for the betterment of Ukwuani people. If we get Anioma State, Abo already have a university. Ogwashuku already have a polytechnic. One more university will be given to Ukwuani people. All these things are the first projects that will be created in Ukwuani land once we get Anioma State. Polytechnics will be built in Ukwuani land if we get Anioma State. Light will be given to Ukwuani people if we get Anioma State. Now all these things now our Ukwuani people supposed to dey reason. Make una not allow say the one zone Anioma State go southeast. Make una dey against the creation of Anioma State. Ukwuani people understand all this is why they talk. Pass this message to other Ukwuani people. Make their eyes open. Make them see reasons why they should support the creation of Anioma State. SH will not fit build Ndokwa East. They against the southeast zone of Anioma State. And he's even proud of it. They post for his Facebook handle say he is proud that he voted against the southeast zone of Anioma State. SH will say he not even fit propose say he want Anioma State for National Assembly. Does SH have the power to propose for a state to be created for Anioma people? They don't have the money to sponsor that bill. They don't have what it takes to sponsor the bill for Anioma State to be created and zone to the south self. Now, Senator Nedwoko, they do waiting the two of them. And also the three of them combined cannot do. And you go see them, they come and they don't support the zoning of Anioma State to the southeast. As I thought this now, some Ukwuani people go there, comment section, they talk rubbish. Some of them go there, they back. People why they fight for. You go they fight for people, but they don't know say you they fight for them because they are suffering from ignorance. SHE cannot sponsor the bill for Anioma State to be created. He not reach, he not get that level. Mondo Yemi cannot sponsor it. Mondo Yemi not get that level. He not reach. Fred Osadebi, he not reach. He not get that power. People will not fit give Ukwuani land where they come from good life. People will not fit give their people light. People will not fit give Ukwuani people good schools, good roads. People will not fit bring tertiary institutions come Ukwuani land. Now then go come sponsor bill for Anioma State to be created. Anioma State must be created and zoned to the southeast. We must actualize this Anioma State. Anioma State can never be in the south. And that is because the south already have 6 states. Anioma State wants to be created to balance the southeast 6 states. So if you expect make they create Anioma State zone and go south, you are wasting your time. It's not possible. It's never possible. We don't allow make the zone Anioma State go south, make the zone and go southeast. Make it be barrier for the creation of this Anioma State. This is the only chance that we have, and it's expected of we Ukwuani people to support the creation of Anioma State and the southeast zoning. If Ukwuani politicians not they support them, make una not send them. Now we Ukwuani people get them. Now we put them for that place. If they don't say they don't want Anioma State to go southeast, we Ukwuani people should be seeking for a referendum. Now through referendum we go take defeat all those people who call themselves politicians. All these our Ukwuani politicians, they don't mean well for Ukwuani people. Anioma State is the only thing that will save Ukwuani land from what we are passing through today. Ishewale.